Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting enrollment now. Make sure the phone is updated and charged above 20% so the process won't abort. Clean the sensor and your finger. Oils and screen protectors can block reads. Once done, open Settings, go to Security, then Fingerprint and tap Add Fingerprint. Follow on-screen prompts slowly, pressing different angles. You're doing this to create multiple samples so the sensor learns varied contact. Pace your taps, don't rush, and be ready to repeat a few lifts for better coverage. Now expand the sensor's dataset by deliberately varying angle and pressure. You should press, lift, and shift the finger across the sensor so it records edges and partial areas. This increases tolerance to real-world touches. Register at least 2 fingers and include alternate positions like rotated or side contact. Once done, take your time. Perform 8 to 12 placements per finger rather than 5 quick taps. This reduces false rejects and makes the lock screen recognition robust against. Finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for the lock screen and confirm any secure wipe protections are off if you want persistence across resets. Test unlocking 3 to 5 times from the actual lock screen to verify reliability. Try varied grips and angles. If recognition fails frequently, delete the problematic fingerprint and re-enroll with focused edge captures, or enroll a second finger for redundancy. Troubleshoot further by cleaning the sensor, removing screen film, and rebooting. Do this before assuming hardware failure to avoid unnecessary repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.